student, in last session we have done till tips to remember, and today we will start with the terminology. First is libero, a specialized defensive player wear different color kit who plays in rear half to provide rest to certain player. Rear half means backside, back zone area. That player, he has to give the rest. He can be substitute anytime during match. From rear row player, he cannot serve, block and smash. He can smash behind the attack line. Players position, the players take positions in two rows. Where's number 1 position is of server, number 2, 3, 4 position of player stand in front attack zone, 5, 6 positions of players are in rear or back zone. See beta, this is the player position. Number 1 is a server, this is the position, server position. 2, 3, 4 front zone, the attack zone. 5, 6 is a back zone. This is the player positions in the ground. Next is positional fault. During service, the player must stand in the position that is diagonally opposite player must be in the same manners as in the beginning, otherwise positional fault is given to opponent. Service faults, there are the faults committed during service like violates the service order, does not execute the service properly, falls after the service hit, ball goes out, passes over a screen. Rotation, after every change of service, the players of serving side rotate in clockwise. Otherwise, it may be a foul. Clockwise means this is the player position. 1 number player move this way, this side, 6 number player move position number 5, 5 number player move position number 4, 4 will move 3, 3 will move 2 and 2 will come for the service. This is the clockwise rotation. During the match, player has to move like this only. Next is rotational fault, a fault in which a wrong positional player performs the service. Means if any player, instead of one player performing the service, like number 3 player is performing the service, that is called a service fault, then rotational fault is given. Now next is ball out of play. When ball is out of play at the moment of a fault which is whistled by one of the referees. Bump pass. This is a fundamental technique to pick up the ball, handle the ball. It is a forearm or underarm lift made on the low level coming ball. Carrying the ball, ball rests momentarily in the hands of the player. That is, it is held for short duration in that action. It is illegal. Side band. 2 wide bands are fascinated vertically on the net and placed directly above each sideline. They are 5 cm wide and 1 meter long and are considered as part of the net. See this diagram, it is showing here. These are the side band. It is also considered as a part of net. Service zone, an area behind the service line from where the service is performed. It extends 3 to 5 meters behind the service line. Substitution zone, an area 3 meters away towards sideline from where the substitution is allowed to move for substitution. Otherwise, they sit over substitution bench. Consecutive contact, a legal contact of ball with 2 or more players consecutively, that is, if 2 or more players contact the ball together. Substitution, replacement of 1 or more players from the list. Substitution apart from libero, the coach of the team requests for substitution to the assistant referee. An area 3 meters away towards sideline is allowed to move for substitution. When referee signals for substitution, the player should move out and substitute player should enter. Dink, a soft push to ball by the fingertips while faking instead of spike, the soft push by the fingertips. In this dink means when the player performing the action of smash, but he puts the ball with the help of fingertips, that is called a dink. Setter. Setter, a player specialized to lift the ball for the smash. It is performed over the coming ball from own teammates. This player is also known as a booster. Means a player is make the ball for the smasher, that is called a setter. Collective block. When two or more players in an attempt to block the coming ball, that is collective block. Side out, when the active ball touches or contacts the floor outside the boundary line. Active ball, when the players are playing with the ball, that is called active ball. If we go on outside, that is side out. Spiker, a player specialized to hit the ball down towards the opponent's court. He is also known as a smasher. Attack line, an extended line behind the center line which restricts libero to smash from front area of court. It is 3 meters away from the net. Back line, a line at the back of court at 9 meters from net. It is also known as a service line. Floating service, this is a type of service, a technique of performing service in which ball is hit hard and it makes step landing in opponent court. Service area, the area from where the players perform the service, that is called a service area. Free zone area, an area by the sides of court which can be used during game. It is 3 meters on all sides of court. Antenna, an extended upright over the net which gives the idea of sideline. It is 80 centimeter in length, whereas 80 centimeter is above the net. In the diagram it is, see, this is the antenna, 80 centimeter above the net. Now next is AS, a point scored over service which is unreturned. When the players hit the ball or performing the service, then opponent team is not return the ball legally, that is unreturned ball, that is called S. Dig, a hard smash near the attack line in opponent court. Catch, the ball is caught and or thrown. It does not rebound from the hit. Double contact, a player hits the ball twice in succession or the ball contacts various parts of his or her body in succession. Screening, a player of serving team must not prevent the visibility of service player, the collective screening, from seeing the server or the flight path of ball is illegal. Technical timeout, it is given in the final set. It is given for 60 seconds in the final set. When leading team reaches the 18th and 16th point, it may be requested by each team. Timeout, this is the simple timeout. It is a temporary interruption asked by the coach during game. Each team may request a maximum of 2 timeouts, or requested timeouts last for 30 seconds. For hits, the team is entitled to a maximum of 3 hits in addition to block for returning the ball. If more are used, the team commits the fault of 4 hit. If that one team hits the ball 3 times, it is not a foul, but the team hits the ball 4 times, touch the ball 4 times, that is a 4 hits, that is foul. Delay in game during substitution. Timeout, ball goes away, injury to play, improper request to umpire. Blocking, what is a blocking? It is a preventing the coming smash or ball over the net so that it lands in opponent court. Blocking faults, what is the types of blocking faults? When the blocker touches the ball in the opponent court either before or simultaneously with the opponent's attack hit. Back row player or a libero completes a block or participates in a completed block. When a libero performing the smash, that is also a blocking fault. Ball out, when the part of the ball which contacts the floor is completely outside the boundary line. It touches an object outside the court, the ceiling, or a person out of play. Ceiling means roof. this is an indoor game also, that is ceiling. If the ball touches that ceiling, it is also considered as a ball out. It touches the antenna, rope, post, or the net itself outside the side bands. It crosses the vertical plane of the net either partially or totally outside the crossing space. It crosses completely the lower space under the net. If the ball goes under the net, that is also called a ball out. Team composition. For team composition ki how many players, how many coaches, how many referees are there, that is called team composition. For this match, a team may consist of up to 12 players plus coaching staff, one coach, a maximum of 2 assistant coaches, medical staff, one team therapist or one medical doctor. These are the team composition. Players equipments. While playing, the players has to wear the proper uniform, proper kit, that is called a players equipments. A players equipments consist of jersey, shorts, socks and sports shoes. Forbidden object. Forbidden object means there are some objects are there the players are not supposed to wear during the match. If they are wear, so that is a forbidden, that is a not allowed to wear that objects. It is a forbidden to wear objects which may cause injury or give an artificial advantage to the player. Players may wear glasses or lenses at their own risk. It is not allowed to wear the glasses. Sometimes we also told you not wear the kada, wristwatch. That is also a forbidden object. Compression pads, padded injury protection advice may be worn for protection or sport. It is also not allowed to wear the compression pad. Team hits. A hit is any contact with the ball by a player in play. The team is entitled to a maximum of 3 hits of returning the ball. If more are used, the team commits the foul 4 hits. Redesignation of libero. If the libero is not well, if he is not able to play the game, that time coach introduce the another player as a libero. That is called a redesignation of libero. If the acting libero becomes unable to play, he or she may be replaced by the regular replacement player or immediately and directly to court by a redesignation libero. However, a libero who is the subject of a redesignation may not play for the remainder of the match. Next is jump float. This is also a performing a service, and this is also a fundamental skills. A jump float is a type of serve that a player perform in volleyball when the serving players performing a small jump or hop and hits the ball in such a way that cause the ball to have little to no spin on it. This is also a types of service beta, jump float. Back row attack, that is also no, those are standing at the back row position. If they are hit the ball, defends the ball, that is also called a back row attack. A back row attack in volleyball occur when one of the 3 back row player attacks the ball and contacts it at the top of the net. In a back row attack, the back row player jump from behind the white line. White line means also that line is drawn there, that is a attack line, also known as the 10-foot line or the 3-meter line, and contact the ball. 3-meter line away from the center line, that is also called a attack line. Block assist. If player went up with another player regardless of whether one or both players touched the ball on the block. Floaters. For an overhead float service to be most effective, the ball should not spin. A ball that does not spin is unpredictable in its trajectory and speed, making it hard to read where it will land. Extension role. The defender uses the extension role to extend the area of coverage. Defenders should focus on playing the ball with one step and a reach. Extension role, when the ball is out of reach, Then player extend his right or left arm to pick up the ball, and sometimes he performing the dive also to pick up the ball. That is called a extension role. Joist. Opposing players volley the ball above the plane of the net. A joist is when two opposing players contact the ball above the net at the same time. Overlapping. A volleyball rotation, overlap, or player out of alignment fault is called for players not being positioned correctly on the court at service. The fault for out of alignment is point for the other team and loss of service. If the player during the service, other player are not standing in their position, that is called a overlapping, and this is the disadvantage of the team, and other team will get the chance to perform a service. That is called overlapping. Closing the block. The responsibility of the assistant blocker is to join the primary blocker. Primary means first blocker, and the assistant means though the second player is going for block, that is assistant blocker, to create an impenetrable block. This is called closing the block or sealing the block, because two ball cannot fit between the two individual blockers. Trap set. A ball set too close to the net where the hitter typically gets stuffed. Reading hitter. It is knowing what a hitter is going to do, perhaps even before he or she knows what they are going to do based on their tendency. Reading hitter, if any player is going for a smash, he knows what he will going to do. Sometimes he performing the smash, and sometimes he throw the ball with the help of fingers. That is a reading hitter. Block abuse. In this, the player does not try to make the hard spike but hit the ball so that it touches the opponent's block. Opponent's block means opponent's player's hands. Those are coming for the block, that player's hands, and then bounce off court. The ball gone outside. That is block abuse. Off speed hit. In this, the player does not hit the ball hard, reducing its speed and thus confusing the opponent's defense. Faults during playing ball. A team hits the ball 4 times before returning it. Assistant hit, catch, double contact. Penalty area. A penalty area sized approximately 1 into 1 meter and occupied with 2 chairs is located in the control area outside the prolongation of each end line. This may be limited by a 5 cm wide red line. Misconduct. It is a illegal action of or offense or behavior by the player or by the team member, including coach. Warning at first instance and recorded over score sheet. Next is penalty. After the first warning, the second misconduct is penalty. In this, team is penalized with the loss of a point or a rally. Expulsion. A player or coach is expelled and not allowed to play further. If he repeatedly performs misconduct, he is not even allowed to sit over team bench. Change of court. After each set, the ends are changed. In the final set, it is changed at 8 points. Penetration fault. A fault given when the opponent player enter into the opponent area in air by crossing center line, by foot or by hands over the net during smash, block or lift. Warming up area. It is an area by the sides of playing field where players performs warming up. The warming up area size approximately 3 into 3 meter are located in both of the bench side corners outside the free zone. Assisted hit. A player when takes the spot from teammate or any other structure or object in order to reach the ball within the playing area. Now last is sanction imposed by referee according to the judgment of the first referee and depending on the seriousness of the offense. The section to be applied and recorded on the score sheet are warning, no section, stage 1 verbal warning, stage 2 symbol yellow card, Penalty section, symbol red card. Expulsion section, symbol red plus yellow card jointly. Disqualification session, symbol red plus yellow card separately. Our terminology topic is completed. Now I am sending you some picture related to the topic, so it will make your concept more clear.